Hello, in front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons right here to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, press the middle button to enter. In settings, select the general settings option and press the middle button, then scroll down, find the language option, select it, and once you select it, press the middle button. Now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by using the, again, up and down buttons. Select the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you select it, press the middle button, and then press it again to confirm and apply the language. And as you can see, the language changed. Okay, if your phone is paired, or rather, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the language through the phone application, through the Polar Flow application. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Like this. Okay, and now let's wake up the screen on our phone, unlock it, open the Polar Flow application on the phone. This is the phone that is paired with my watch. So let's open the app. Let's sync the devices together before we change anything. And to sync the devices together, simply press and hold the back button until you see this on the screen. It's gonna start syncing. Let's wait until it's done. Okay, and once it's done syncing, we can open the menu by tapping on More Options icon, tap on Devices, and you should see your Polar Vantage M2 right here. As you can see, we have the option called Device Language. We can tap on it. It will open the list of languages. We can scroll through the list, find the language we want to use, and then we can tap on Done right here. You can see it because of the light. Oh, let me move it like this. Tap on Done. Okay, and once you change the language, you need to sync the devices again. So let's press and hold the back button, wait until the devices are done syncing, and after they're done syncing, the settings should be applied and the language should change. And the syncing is done, and if we open the menu, you will see that the language changed back to English. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.